YouTube, Pyro Life here again. About to do an unboxing of this UV extra large aerial finale set, and this one is the Red Apple brand, and it comes 4 in a case. I've never had this one before, so just seen the videos on it, and it seems pretty good, so decided to pick it up recently. So pretty good size cakes here, 500 gram cakes. Have some pretty good weight to it, but as most people know, the weight doesn't really matter because of the clay is usually at the bottom. So these tubes are pretty decent size. I'll open one up so you can take a look. There you go. So this is 25 shot, and there's the pictures of the effects. That's all it says. They don't really give a here's a description. Bright white strobe mines to 3 double sea blue comet tails to sea blue dahlias with shining silver glitter. Bright white strobe mines to 3 double lemon yellow comet tails to big silver chrysanthemums. Bright white strobe mines to 3 double glowing magenta comet tails to glowing magenta dahlias with shiny silver glitter. Bright white strobe mines to 3 double electric blue comet tails to electric blue dahlias with shiny silver glitter. Very loud bang with every shot. Built-in rapid fire finale of silver chrysanthemum and red strobe mines and crackling willow to big silver chrysanthemum. So that's the UV 25 shot extra large aerial. Next is, this one has 4 different ones in the case, not all the same. As we can see, this one is the UV 16 shot extra large aerial. And there's the description: blood red glowing green lemon yellow dahlias with titanium gold willows and super shiny glittering silver strobes. Very loud bang with every shot. Built-in rapid fire finale of blood red glowing green and lemon yellow dahlias with titanium gold willows and super shiny glittering silver strobes. And this is 16 shot, and this is the purple top or blue top color one, and this one is the 25 shot with the green top. Oh, this one, the size of these tubes looks similar to the one I opened earlier, the green one, but this one, these tubes are smaller, as you can see from the indent marks. And this is the 30 shot. And we have blood red palms with bright white strobes, glowing green to blood red palms with glimmering gold strobes, lemon yellow palms with bright white strobes, glowing purple palms with bright white strobes, glimmering gold palms with bright white strobes. Very loud bang with every shot. Built-in rapid fire finale of shining silver palms with big silver chrysanthemums. And this is the red top UV 30 shot, and there's effects of that one. This one is the green top, and I guess the first one was like a yellow top. And these tubes are a little bit bigger, as you can see from the indent marks. This one is the 12 shot. There's a description: sky blue and blood red peonies with shiny silver chrysanthemums, vibrant violet and glowing green peonies with shiny silver chrysanthemums, blood red and lemon yellow peonies with shiny silver chrysanthemums, sky blue and lemon yellow peonies with shiny silver chrysanthemums, Very loud bang with every shot. Built-in rapid fire finale, sky blue, blood red, vibrant violet, glowing green, and lemon yellow peonies with silver chrysanthemums. That's the UV 12 shot. So you get 4 different ones in this case. Sorry about all the moving. So that you get the UV 12 shot, 25 shot, and the 16 shot and 30 shot. And that's the UV extra large aerial finale set. Alright guys, thanks a lot.